Hello students, myself Rakesh Kumar Meena, Assistant Professor in English at Government College Rajgarh, and in this video lecture I will teach you the poem Enterprise composed by Nissim Ezekiel. Nissim Ezekiel is one of the famous Indian writers in English literature. He was a famous playwright, editor, critic, and poet. He was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award for his poetry collection Latter Day Pajams. He was also awarded the Padma Shri in 1988. He is often called the father of modern Indian English poetry. His poetry has different themes and style. His poems are a depiction of his craftsmanship, restraint, and intellectual approach to normal day life. His poem Enterprise is the very famous lyric. It was published in The Unfinished Man in 1960. The poem describes a metaphorical journey of some enthusiastic people, of which the poet is also a part. This journey can also be compared to the human condition, which is full of difficulties, miseries, and failures. This pilgrimage is said to achieve a specific goal. The poem Enterprise is an allegory of human destiny on earth, and the poet gives a important message through it, that home is where we have to gather grass. The poem is didactic and one of the best poems of Ezekiel. There are a total of 6 stanzas in this poem, and each stanza containing 5 lines. And now I am going to start the poem Enterprise, written by Nissim Ezekiel. In this poem, Nissim Ezekiel writes in the first stanza of the poem, it started as a pilgrimage, exalting minds and making all the burdens light. The second stage explored but did not test the call. The sun beat down to match our rage. And the difficult word meanings of first stanza are: pilgrimage means a journey undertaken for some religious purpose. Exalting means higher in power. Explored means examined thoroughly. Beat down means to reduce the effect. Rage means violent anger. And the explanation of the first stanza: at the very beginning of the poem, the poet says that he went on a pilgrimage along with a number of other people. At that time, their minds were full of ideas to reach their destination. All of them were quite enthusiastic, so their minds were full of joy and excitement for the pilgrimage. They were so excited that the inconveniences seemed insignificant to them. The poet has divided the voyage journey in several stages. Their excitement made the burden of troubles very light. Thus, all the problems and troubles that they were yet to face seemed to be nothing before their enthusiasm. This was the first stage of their pilgrimage. With this enthusiasm and vigor, they enter the second stage of their journey. But the second stage of their pilgrimage was full of troubles and difficulties. The sun that symbolizes harshness of nature was burning hot. The hot sun tried to reduce the heat of their hopes and aspirations, but it failed to kill their burning desires. The heat of the sun is symbolic of Mother Nature being hostile towards human ambitions. Thus, the innocence of the first stage withers away in this stage. Thus, this stanza shows Ezekiel's mastery over diction. He has used right words in the right place. And with this, it is the end of the video lecture. In my next video, we will carry on our discussion on this poem Enterprise, written by Nissim Ezekiel. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed this video lecture.